are in Paris. August is the month of all the French people going on vacation, and Paul has a couple days off, so we took the train ride here. We're in Paris in the Latin Quarter, and it's the start of 4 days in Paris, which is the longest we've ever been here. I'm very excited because this is the first time we've ever been to the Latin Quarter, and we are staying in Le Marais, which is our favorite spot in Paris. And I don't know, there's just so much ahead of us, and we're taking you guys along. So buckle up for 4 days in Paris. This will probably be a series. There will probably be different videos, but we'll see. And I'm very, very happy to be here.
Me too. For those who wonder, I'm here. I'm filming behind the camera. Hi. So after the Saint-Sulpice Church, we're going to go inside the Jardin du Luxembourg, which is the second stop for the day.
C'est ton jeu? Non.
Shipwreck in the dark, far from the heart.
It must be a game or something because everyone's on their phone. See?
Maybe they're chasing Pokemon?
Yeah, I don't know. It's cute because there's the contrast of people playing chess and like an actual like a game and connecting with people. And then there's a game, I'm assuming, of people, everyone is on their phone doing something, and maybe it's a game. Like the contrast between the two.
I didn't know love till you found me. I didn't know love lost in the sea. I didn't know love till you found me. I didn't know love till you set me free. Didn't know love. Didn't know love.
It was the perfect street to do a full rendezvous.
I think we'll just set up the camera right here so we can walk down the streets for you guys. You feel like you're here.
So I
Coming on the stroll with us.
held on the mast in the ocean, wild and loud.
We found a perfect little spot. We have the fountains beside us. We also have a university in front of us that is absolutely gorgeous. I was like, imagine you saying like, this is where I go to school.
It's called La Sorbonne.
It's
a very famous literature university, and people from all over the world actually come to study here. Yeah, it's very renowned.
Paris, I guess there's just like so many places you could just sit and just take in the views everywhere you turn. And after walking through the gardens, I was just like, there were so many main characters there. It was really, really fun to like, I don't know, just stop and watch. And now we're gonna people watch here. We got some fries, or I got some fries and a glass of wine. These fries are kind of sad. Oh,
They're soggy, but I like them. They're tasty.
I like crunchy fries.
Santé. Oh, I'm having a coffee. You guys don't know I like coffee.
Didn't know
Happy?
Time to try. Happy. I got myself a Nutella crepe as always. On a very touristy street. It took me a long time to figure out which one I should stop at because they look like how do you say that? Like tourist traps. But
You were trapped.
I got trapped by this one.
The Frenchman failed.
I know. I hate to complain, but it's very dry. It's very thin. There's no fluffiness. There's no like creaminess to this. Thank God Nutella has the same taste everywhere because at least that tastes good. But the crepe is very disappointing. Here we are. Last stop of the day in the Quartier Latin. Le Jardin des Plantes. This one is for you, babe, because you like plants. This is the garden.
Really? Yay! I didn't know where we were
You didn't know I told you. You don't listen to me no more.
I'm sorry. I'm tired.
And look at that, by the way. This is just a building.
That's for you, the naked lady. Or is it a man? No, it's a lady.
Oh, it's a lady. Yeah, there's boobs. Right.
It's lady bits.
So this tree was brought from Crete, which is like an island in Greece, in 1702 and was planted here.
Wow.
Is that insane? Currently walking on what's called Île Saint-Louis, which is the center island close to Notre Dame. We're heading back to the hotel in the Marais. The sun is getting pretty sweet and golden, the way we like it for the videos.
And then we're going back. It's like...
And we're going back, and the light was pretty harsh all day, but it's okay. We had a blast in Le Quartier Latin. I think it's a really cool neighborhood. Underrated. We've never been there before, and we've been to Paris a couple of times already. And I'm glad we did this. It's a little different from what we've done usually, and I'm very glad we actually went there. Jardin des Plantes was a little... Oh yeah. By the way, in the summer, they do what they call Paris plage, which is they turn the Seine, the river banks of the Seine, into like a beach where you can actually rent mattresses and just tan all day in the sun. I think this is pretty cool.
I was telling Paul when we were walking, I was like, oh, I really like this area because Paul's in charge of like the maps. And I was like, oh, it's because we're back in Le Marais. That's why.
That's why. Le Marais is our favorite neighborhood in Paris, for sure. Bonne nuit. Oyasu minasai.